What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're back out here in the saltwater, and we're gonna be changing it up a little bit today. I'm gonna be fishing more in the mangroves, see if we can pull out anything that's hiding up in the mangroves. Got some live shrimp with me. Gonna try and use some artificial as well. And yeah, the goal today, the main goal, is to try and catch a redfish. But also, you know, anything else we can in the process. The main goal is to maybe, hopefully, catch a redfish. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. Now let's go catch them. Alright. I'm gonna start around here. Got a couple dozen shrimp. I have a new rod I want to try out. But I have seen fish over here before, so I'm just gonna see if we get any bites. It's almost high tide, and it does say the fish activity is supposed to get like really good around 12 or so. New rod I'm try out. Alright, I haven't been having any luck, but I see some snook right next to me. So, toss a little shrimp over there, see if they bite. A couple of them, they're not huge, but... Oh, he's interested in the shrimp, holy crap. Oh wow, got something hooked out here. Not sure what it is. I thought it was a catfish, but I don't know, it's pulling pretty hard. I just realized I completely forgot my net. Jeez, I don't know what this is. Jeez, this thing is fighting super. This can't be a catfish. No way! Oh my god, it's a red. Oh my god. No way. Dude, it's a nice red. Holy crap, no way. No way, we got a nice red hooked on. Oh my goodness, it's a really nice red. Oh my goodness. No way. No freaking way. I do not want to lose this fish. I thought this was a catfish at first. Oh my goodness, that's a nice red. That is a... No, I don't have my net. I forgot my net at home. No. Oh my goodness. No freaking way. Alright. I think it's wrapped. I'm trying to... Do not want her to come off. Oh my goodness, this is a nice red. On a shrimp. I think it was a dead shrimp too. Oh, come here, girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No. Screw it. No, yeah, baby. Holy crap, I got him. Look at that red. Gorgeous. Holy crap. I can't believe I just caught that. I would have never guessed this was a redfish. Oh my goodness. I gotta get a length on this girl. Oh baby, 24 inches. Let's go. I cannot believe that was basically like a dead shrimp too. Let's get one more look at her. Oh, I'm freaking out. This was the goal for today, to come out and catch a redfish, and we did it. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of losing hope a little bit because it was a stale day. It's the first bite we've had. All right, let's get a release on this and beauty. I think she's ready. She fought so hard too. Gosh, what a pretty fish. I can't get over. I don't know what it is about these redfish, but I can't get over how gorgeous these fish are. I think she's ready. Oh, there she goes, I guess so. I am honestly so surprised too. I cannot believe I just caught a redfish. We're gonna try that again. That was like pretty much almost a dead shrimp too. And for the most part, I was just dragging it behind me. If we can do that again, man, I'm on something. This one might be a catfish. Yeah, this might be a catfish. Yep, this one's a catfish. Let's see if we can do this without getting stabbed here. Jeez, been all tangled up in the reeds or the mangroves the last little bit, trying to get unstuck, and I had a, well, kind of a fish on my shrimp, but it is a stingray. That's not good. Little stingray. I think I caught a little snapper, guys. Or a pinfish. Kind of a big one. I'm just kind of near the ramp trying to use up the rest of my shrimp. I don't have too much left. I'm just kind of over here near the channel seeing if I can get any snapper or anything next to these mangroves. I only have a couple shrimp left though. Oh. Oh! Managed to hook a little snapper here. Little guy. Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap for the day. I'm almost at the ramp. And yeah, it wasn't a bad day, but it was pretty rough, I'm not gonna lie. We did catch that nice red, which was really cool. Caught a catfish too, but hey, we didn't get skunked, so it was overall a good day. I appreciate you guys for tuning in and checking out the video. If you guys liked what you saw, please like and subscribe for more. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.